Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. My name is Lori. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 easy and quick thrift makeovers for summer using DIY paint and IOD transfers and stamps. So if you like home decor projects and thrift makeovers all on a budget, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. I have a wood cow from the thrift store. I removed the hanger at the top. I painted both sides of the cow with the DIY Farm Fresh paint. When it dried, I used the sanding block and lightly sanded the edges of the cow to bring out some of the original wood. I have the Lady Shallot Stamps from IOD. I picked 2 flowers for the cow. I pressed my ink stamp on the bigger flower and placed it on the cow, lightly pressing down on the stamp. I covered the cow with the flower stamps. When it dried, I gave the cow a coat of Big Top to seal the paint and stamps.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh.
This was such an easy makeover, and I love the flowers on the cow. It definitely is unique, and this is how it turned out. I have a hanging mirror from the thrift store. I removed the knob and the mirror. I painted the frame with the DIY Farm Fresh paint.
All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become
When it dried, I I brushed DIY white wax on the frame.
Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious. Different things in different ways. There must be love.
I placed the knob and the mirror back onto the frame. And that is it for this quick makeover color change. I absolutely love this color and the whitewashed look of the frame. I'm placing this adorable mirror in my she shed for summer. I have this small metal colander from the thrift store. I painted it with the DIY Salty Kiss paint.
Ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a star, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
When it dried, I brushed antique wax from Waverly on the colander and wiped off the excess to give it an aged look.
I gave it all to you for too There must be more. There must be another way. There must be
When the weather gets better, I'm going to hang this in my garden with a small plant for summer. Let me know in the comments what you would do with this cute little colander. For this DIY, I have a basket from the thrift store. I painted the basket with the DIY Liquid Sunshine paint. I'll leave in the description box where I purchased my supplies and a discount code for you.
Want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
When the paint dried, I brushed a coat of Big Top on the basket to seal the paint.
It's enough for you if I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
I brushed antique wax from Waverly on the basket and wiped off the excess to give it an antique old look.
What you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
I added flowers to the basket, and that is it for this simple but cute basket makeover. I'm placing this on the table in my she shed for summer. I have a galvanized bucket that I found at the thrift store. I painted the bucket with the DIY Liquid Sunshine paint. I picked a transfer from the Brocante transfer book from IOD. I used the stick it came with to rub the transfer onto the bucket. I brushed Big Top on the bucket to seal the paint and transfer.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do.
I brushed antique wax on the bucket and wiped off the excess to give it an aged look.
Looking at the sunset, man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
And that is it for this sweet bucket makeover. I'm putting this beauty in my garden hutch outdoors for summer with a plant. I love the vibrant color, and the antique wax gives it that old touch. Let me know in the comments which DIY was your favorite. I hope I inspired you today with some new fresh ideas for your summer decor this year. I want to say thank you so much for joining me, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day and bye for now.